In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord microphone toggle mute key binding. If you've ever scrambled to quiet your mic during a call, a toggle mute key bind will save you a ton of stress. This walkthrough is for the Discord desktop app on Windows or Mac OS. The steps are simple and everything saves automatically, so you can set it once and forget it. Start by opening Discord on your computer and making sure you're logged in. Look to the bottom left corner of the app. Next to your avatar and username, there's a small gear icon. That gear opens user settings, which is where all the important controls live. Inside user settings, glance at the left sidebar and find the app settings section. It's a category that organizes features like voice and video, overlay, and more. In that list, click keybinds. This is where you can create shortcuts that control Discord without digging through menus. On the keybinds page, click Add a keybind. You'll see a new row appear with two main parts, action and keybind. First, let's define what the shortcut will do. Open the action drop-down and choose toggle mute. Toggle mute simply switches your Discord microphone on and off with a single press. So each tap flips your mic between muted and unmuted. It affects your mic only in Discord. Other apps won't be muted by this. Now set the shortcut itself, click record keybind, then press the key combination you want to use. A popular choice is something like Control plus Shift plus M on Windows or Command plus Shift plus M on Mac because it's easy to remember and unlikely to clash with game controls. When you're happy with it, click stop recording. If you change your mind, you can record again or remove the keybind anytime. A few practical tips. Pick a combo that won't collide with your most used apps or your game's hotkeys. Function keys that control brightness or volume can be unreliable, so modifiers like Control, Shift, Alt, Command or Option make better anchors. If your keybind doesn't seem to work while you're in a game, it may be conflicting with another shortcut. Try a different combination. Discord usually honors these keybinds even when it's not the active window. If it ever misbehaves on Windows, launching Discord as an administrator can help. For context, toggle mute is different from push to mute or push to talk. Toggle mute flips your mic state each time you press it, while push-based options only act while the key is held down. That's it. You now have a reliable one-press way to mute and unmute your mic in Discord.